Hi everyone, in this video I'll continue with the concept called as what operators. The next operator is what relational operator. Okay, relational operator. What are relational operators? Operators which are used to find relation among two operands. So those are all called as what relational operators. So if I write A is greater than B, this one is a relational operator. This will going to find the relation among what these two, whether A is greater than what B. If A is greater than B, it will going to return a value true. Otherwise, it will going to return a value what false. The output of relational operator is either true or what false. So relational operators are the operators which are used to find relation among operands. What are the different relational operators? Say what less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. So these are what relational operators. I think if people are familiar with those operators. So I'll consider what a simple Java program. Okay. So with a class with name relational operator demo. Okay, this is the beginning of what class within which there is a public static void main. Okay, I think you can understand why public to access what outside the class, to maintain main at class level, no return type from the function. Main is a starting point. So within the public static void main are taken two variable a and b. A assigned the value of 10, b with the value of 20. So this one is what system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println. Okay, so whatever written within a double quote, that will be printed. That is you will get a is less than b colon. Okay, in the next line you will get because of println, I will get next line I will get a greater than or b. Okay, so after I am using what plus operator. Next I have written what one more time the expression within a small bracket. So since I have written within a small bracket, first expression will be evaluated. If it is what true, we'll get output as what true. That will be concatenated with this one using a plus operator. Okay, if it is what false, false will be concatenated with this particular string using what plus operator. This one is what concatenation operator. Okay, yeah. So this end of what main and this end of what your class. So you will get the output in this way. So output a is less than b. Yeah, because the value of a is how much 10 and value of b is how much 20. Whether 10 is less than what b, yeah, less than true, will get output as what true. Second one is whether a is greater than what b. So 10 is greater than b, no, false. Whether a equal to what b, false. Whether a is less than what b, so that is a less than but not equal. So result will be what false. Whether it's greater than or equal to what b, false. There is not equal to what b, will get what true. So this output will get. So after executing that Java program. So next one is what logical operators. So here I'm going to discuss only two. That is one is logical and as well as what logical are. Okay. So it's also called as what short circuit operators. So why it is called as what short circuit operators? Because the outcome of the expression can be determined by the left hand operand. Okay, so outcome of the expression can be determined by the left hand operand. So I'll go with an example. Consider that there is operand 1, logical and operand 2. Assume if operand 1 is false, this one is what false. If this one is what false, there is no need of for checking what operand 2. Okay, even if irrespective value of operand 2, the entire expression will be evaluated to false. That's the reason it is called as what short circuit operator. So you can consider what one more example. Okay, so here I am using a logical OR. Assume this operand 1 is what true. If operand 1 is what true, there is no need of for checking operand 2. Why? Because irrespective value of operand 2, the expression will be evaluated to true. That is a reason we'll call this one as what short circuit operator. Okay. Next I am going to consider one more operator, that is a shift operators. So first operator is what left shift. So this is a symbol we will going to use. Okay, suppose if I write some value, left shift operator and what n, the meaning is the bits in the value are shifted by n position to the left. Okay, whatever the bits in the value you specified, that will be shifted n position to the left. Okay, so we'll consider an example. Taken what 5, left shift operator what 2. Okay, so how to represent 5 in the binary? So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is how much? 4. So this bit will going to become what 1, and this bit also will going to become what 1. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. So you will going to represent 5 as what 0 1 0 1. So I have taken 8-bit representation. So remaining all are what 0. So if I shift one time to the left, this bit will come to this position, this bit will go to this position, and it will continue. Each will going to shift what one position to the left hand side. So this will come to what this position, and this will go to what here. And this will come to what over here. On the to the leftmost position, 0 will be what added. Okay, and same thing with respect to this bits. So this is a output I got after shifting what one time. Now I'm going to shift what one more time. Why? Because here the value is what 2. You have to shift what 2 times. If the value is what 1, this is the answer. Since the value is what 2, I have to shift what how many times? 2 times. So I'm going to shift what one more time. So this will go toward this position. This will go toward this position. Remaining all are filled with what 0. This will come toward here. This will come to here. This will go to here. This one come to over here. This will go over here. Here, and this one over here. So 1 0 will be added to the leftmost bit. So this is your answer, because 2 time shifting is what over. Why are shifting 2 time? Because of now n value is what 2. Now what is the answer? See, observe this. This one is equivalent to what? This one is equivalent to what? 16. The value is what? 16. And what about this one? This value is how much? 4. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. So you'll get the output as what? 20. Okay, this is with respect to what left shift. So I'll consider what one more operator in shifting up in shift operators, that is what right shift operator. So this is the symbol we're going to use. Again, what same thing, value, right shift operator what one, where bits of value are shifted by n position to the right hand side. Okay, so bits in the value are shifted n position to the right hand side. So I'll consider what same example, 5 right shift what 2. Okay, so again what same thing, how to represent 5 0 1 0 1. So this bits are what 0. So if you shift one time, this will go out of what your register. Okay, so 0 1 0 1, and all this bits are what 0. So this will to 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Okay, if I shift what one time, this bit will go out of what register. Okay, this bit will come over here, and this will come out over here, and this will go over here. This MSB bit will be filled with what? 0. So this is the output after shifting what one time. But how many times you have to shift? You have to shift what? 2 times. So if you shift what one more time, this will come over here, this way. Okay, the MSB bit will be added with what? 0. Okay, so now this one is what your answer. What is the answer? 1. You get result as what? 1. Why 1? Because 2 to the power of 0 is how much? 2 to the power of 0 is how much? 1. The output as what? 1. Okay, just copy this one as it is. If I have any doubt, you can text me. Okay.